Hi, thanks for your interest in this Monarch. It is here in our warehouse in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is Tricia at Machinery Consultants. And this Monarch is an 18-inch by 54. It has a Preselect head, Series 62, model 1610, and the serial number is 44360. We purchased this machine from Defense Storage, and it is in excellent condition. And we'll show you the ways up close in just a second. We love Monarchs and have quite a few of them, and this is a very nice one. Okay, these ways, okay, when you run your finger along them, they feel very good. And they are, I think you can see it, they are stained lightly. That's from sitting and sitting with Cosmoline on them. However, the condition is excellent as far as usage goes. We have a big chuck, 15-inch bore jaw. If you need a different chuck, we can definitely help you with that. It's no big deal. There's the cross slide. Nice heavy-duty tailstock. Okay, here's a view from this angle. Has a taper attachment. And let's glance inside the electric panel. There we go. Looks good. Presently at 220 volt. You have your choice of 220 or 440. Okay, now we'll run it for you.
37 RPM.
Nice. Oh, it sounds good. Oh wow. Stand back. Wow. Woo. Look at that. That sounds so good. And something to consider when you're listening to the headstock is this machine has a hollow chip pan. We have it on blocks. Yep. And we're also right next to the wall. Anyway, it sounds great. Good job. Thanks, Frank. If you have any interest or any questions, please call us. Our phone number 801-531-9500. Thanks again.